What's up, guys? It's been a while. I got all my parts in for my Marmotte, and I got it finished. Just kind of wanted to show it to you. I did a lot better on it this time than I did the last time. I got less stuff in it, and it's just built nicer. So here it is. I've got the I got a new frame from Armattan after the other one broke. I went back with the same frame, so we'll give it a try. I put shrink wrap on the arms, the clear shrink tubing on the arms, and then I set my ESCs right down on the arm and shrink tubed them right to that, so everything's real stable, sturdy, and it's clear, you can see through. I've got, let's just start off on the outside. I'm running the FrySky 2207 2600 kV motors, and I'm running the DYS 70 amp ESCs, and I'm running a Foxeer Falcore mini camera. This is the rack camera that goes in this thing, and it works really good. And let me pop the top here. I'm running a XM Plus receiver, which is shrink wrapped right in here to this to the cables coming off the wire, your battery lead. And then the battery lead itself is wire tied down to this piece here, which is carbon fiber and titanium, so it won't come loose. So I got a wire coming from here, that powers that, and then I've got a wire coming from this plug in here that goes to my camera, and that's basically it. The rest of it's just the ESC wires, so it's really simple, very easy to build. I built it in no time at all. And I'm rocking the Rush 5.8 tank, 800 milliwatt VTX on it. I'm running it right now on 500 milliwatts. And I've just got this little dipole on it from Black Sheep, Team Black Sheep. It just fits great. It fits really nice. And the battery goes right here, and it sticks up above the battery a little bit. It don't get in the props. I have no luck running antennas that stick out the back, like I forget what you call them. Anyway, anything other than a dipole I break. So that's why I run dipole. And I've got my antennas for my receiver sticking out the back here. They don't get in the way. As far as the flight controller, I'm running a CL Racing F4 version 1.6 from Armattan. And it's got the latest updates and all on it. And it's an all-in-one board with the where you just, you don't gotta have a PDB. This is the PDB built into it and all that. I really like it. I've already flew it. It's great. It's really smooth. I get a lot more distance now, FPV distance, than I used to. Because used to I just ran them little 200 milliwatt VTX02s or VTX03s. And I'm running this thing on 500 milliwatt. As far as I hadn't even tested it on 800 yet. 500 is good enough for me, because I can fly all the way down there and around them trees now without hardly any breakup. So that's great. So it's just really simple, guys. I kept it as simple as I could. It looks really good. It's got a lot of protection now. This is the best job I've ever done, I believe. I don't even want to fly this thing now. It looks so pretty, and it flies so good. And it's been so long since I've flown now that I'm really rusty. So I don't even really want to fly it. I just want to look at it and keep it in good shape. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is my new Marmotte. I'm tickled to death with it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. You'll be seeing me soon. I don't know when, but I'll get back to flying one of these days. I'm just kind of taking a break right now. Alright, you guys have a great day.